Arojet UF Series Flexible Package Digital Efficiency Hot Stamping Equipment. Bid farewell to the traditional gilding mode. Endow flexible packaging with unlimited possibilities for personalization. Complete production process, no screen, no mold, and no pre-press preparation process. It can achieve high-gloss, matte enhancement effects, gold stamping, 3D stereoscopic gold stamping, braille and other effects. Efficient workflow, 100% digital production process. It can achieve the superimposed application of multiple post-printing processes at one time to improve the efficiency of the post-processing. Stunning visual effects. Whether it is extremely fine lines, tiny characters, or large areas of full-plate hot stamping, they can all be well presented. Superior printing cost. The software can predict the light consumption to the microliter level, allowing you to know the precise production cost in advance. Meanwhile, we offer an integrated resource including digital hot stamping equipment, digital varnish, hot stamping materials and services. Reduce your production costs. The whole machine is modularized and designed, consisting of unwinding unit, deviation correction unit, dust removal unit, corona unit, varnishing unit, hot stamping unit, etc. Unwinding unit. It can accommodate rolls with a diameter of 1000 mm, a material thickness of 0.05 to 0.5 mm, and a maximum width of 1200 mm. It supports roll materials such as PET, PVC, BOP, PE, and coated paper. Varnishing unit. Industrial grade on-demand piezoelectric nozzles using self-developed UV varnish or UV cold stamping varnish. With a printing thickness ranging from 3 micrometers to 300 micrometers for 3D structures, a printing speed of 15 to 60 meters per minute, and a registration accuracy of 100 micrometers. Stamping unit. It adopts digital cold stamping process, no heating required. The hot stamping width is 200 to 900 millimeters, customizable, with 1 to 8 modules to choose from. It supports metallic tones, holography, and multiple colors. Operating system. It adopts a human-machine interaction interface, is easy to operate, and can be optionally equipped with a variable data inkjet printing system. The entire machine can be independent of the printing system and process, applied to the front end or back end of color printing. It can also be produced in conjunction with digital inkjet equipment and traditional printing equipment. It is widely applied in fields such as wine labels, cultural and creative products, self-adhesive labels, cosmetic labels, and labels for various high-value commodities. Stable, reliable, and easy to maintain. Arojet Flexible Package Digital Enhancement Gilding help you increase efficiency and value.